Hello everyone. Daily Arts by Rahul. Subscribe and watch my video. Like and share your friend. Cat drawing for kids. Kids will love learning how to make a cat drawing for kids. Beginners will benefit from this simple step-by-step lesson on how to draw a cat. This easy cat instruction guide is perfect for fairly young children looking to get started with drawing. Get a thrill out of creating a colorful cat drawing for kids, and remember to add some personal touches. It's time to get creative. Step 1. Draw a cat face. Draw an outline of the cat's face. Step 2. Add 2 legs. Next, draw 2 legs under the face. Step 3. Draw the cat's body. Now draw a curved line for the rest of the cat's body. Step 4. Add tail and face. Give this cat a tail and a face. Step 5. Draw a collar. Draw a cat collar and the final details. Step 6. Complete with color. Finish the drawing by darkening your lines and adding color.